Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. I remember the time when I would never realize that the day is over. Since morning, you can say maybe round the clock, I used to be busy doing something or the other. And I remember this was the time when my firstborn, my daughter, was hardly few weeks old. So this video is for all the moms with a newborn. If you are caring for an infant, this video is for you. Whether you are a nanny, mom, grandmother, or somebody in the daycare who is nurturing and caring for newborns, this video is for you. I mentioned that was the busiest time. However, it was the most rewarding time as a mother. I did have the responsibility of the newborn. However, every day used to be different. Every day used to be really unpredictable, and I would wait for that smile of the baby. And whenever I would see that, the whole day used to be like, okay, hey, that's the best thing of the day. As a mom and as a woman, I understand the pressures of caring for newborn. However, this is the time astrologically a mother can do a lot. In fact, it is the time to pay back the debts for the mother. Somebody gives you birth, somebody cares for you. And when you give birth to someone or start caring for someone, it is paying off the debt. It is the karma that you are supposed to do and you are doing it. That is the best time. So this video is for you to give you support or give you encouragement and continue the great job that you are doing. I can understand that you are going through sleepless nights. The whole hormonal cycle is kind of haywire. Those who have gone through C-section probably are recovering as well. Some of you are worried about how the baby is going to develop. Some of you are thinking if you will have enough breast milk for the baby or not. Or some of you who are already back to work are thinking about the caretaker who is taking care of baby will do a nice job or not. I understand all these feelings, rather the whole baggage of mixed feelings which can make you go through the most happy moment to the totally moment of the day. Well, there is one thing that you should always remember. You have a baby, There are so many people in the world who are trying to have a baby, or they are worried about whether they will have a baby or not. You have already passed through that, You have been through that getting pregnant, pregnancy and delivering the baby, and you have your bundle of joy. That is the best thing that can happen. So always remember that you have come so far and you are going to take care of the baby great way. Assuring and reassuring yourself is the great way of strengthening your moon. Telling yourself that you are going to do it and support the baby, whether you are a mother or father, that is the great way of supporting your planet sun, because that is your self-esteem, that is your creativity, and that rules your place in the social structure, society. When you have a baby, what happens? Everybody definitely thinks about you differently in a good way. They understand the responsibility that you have. Having a baby is still considered a responsible gesture even in these modern days. The third thing is drink enough water, be well hydrated, and there is no hurry to go ahead and reduce the weight of the pregnancy. Basically, still you are breastfeeding, even doctors will tell you that you need not worry. Follow all the routine about healthy eating, making sure that you go and do your medical checkups on time. And third thing is probably you are already doing. Do not skip any of the checkups of the newborn. Whatever the immunizations, vaccinations or the checkups, please do it on time. See the doctor. Make sure you are taking the medications if they are given to you, and you are not taking any extreme steps about diets and exercise. Seek the medical advice and then go. Cuddle your baby, kiss your baby, and talk to the doctor about co-sleeping. Any questions you have, any doubts you have about baby's development, what they should do, how your baby is doing, pick up the phone and call your pediatrician. Call your doctor, talk to them, talk to the nurse's office. And one more important thing, that believe yourself. As a mother, being a mother is a natural phenomenon. Every mother in nature, whether it's a tigress, lioness, cat, anybody, they can care for their own offspring. So if you are a mom caring for your own baby, believe in your motherly instincts. Okay? Believe in them, but still make sure that you call the pediatrician as needed, as many times it is needed. Another remedy to strengthen your Jupiter and Venus is sleep whenever your baby sleeps. Jupiter rules the 12th house of horoscope and Venus is exalted in the 12th house. 12th house is about meditation, relaxation. It is about name chanting, aradhana. At the same time, it is about your sleep, nighttime sleep. So whenever the baby sleeps, you need to sleep. Why? That way you are trying to get the yoga of Moon Venus or Moon Jupiter, which is considered as great yoga in astrology. Take enough rest, take sleep, watch out what you are eating, drink enough water, call the doctor. That way you are already initiating most of the benefic planets in your horoscope. Now about the malefic planets, they are Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. For Ketu, do one thing, don't be afraid to have the attachment with your baby. That's your bundle of joy. You have all right to express your feelings towards that. Don't be afraid of the attachment. At the same time, if you have to go back to work, it is okay to do that. Do not have that guilt. For the time being, you can be detached from the baby, do your work because you are earning for the baby. Always remember that. And make arrangement so that somebody will take care of the baby. Regarding Saturn, any negative thoughts, fears, try to keep them away. If you believe in God, pray to Goddess Durga, Parvati, Lakshmi and seek blessings and strength to care for the newborn. That way, Saturn is going to be happy with you. You are doing your duty. It is the planet of duty, karma. Now about Rahu. In earlier times, probably Rahu, don't know how it affected moms, but these days, mobile devices, being on social media, when it is not really making any difference, not adding anything positive in your life, is definitely use of Rahu in a negative way. Stay away from that. It is okay if you limit your time on social media for few months or couple months. You can be a great magician, great storyteller for your baby. You can take pictures of baby as needed whenever possible. And that is good use of Rahu. Other than that, the social media, your blogs, websites, Instagram, whatever it is, it can take a break. So set aside a time, because I understand you need to socialize, you need to make sure what is happening around, but limit that time. That way you are using planet Saturn to control Rahu, and that will always work in your benefit. Take care of all these planets in the right way, take their help, take their support, and do whatever best you can for your baby. Moms, grandmoms, nannies, anybody who is taking care of the newborn, you are doing the most precious work of building the next generation. Dads, if you are a stay-at-home dad, this applies to you as well. This is for anyone who is caring for newborn. Hope this video is helpful. If you want to know more information about your horoscope and what methods you can use to caring for the newborn, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like and comment on this video and share this video with anyone who will be helped by watching this. And again, congratulations for taking care of the newborn. Shubham Bhavatu. Please subscribe to the video. Thank you. Namaste.